Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis.
I've been watching you, a la 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 la.
His voice can be recognized by the song Sweat and Bad Boy, which was the theme song for Will Smith and Martin Lawrence's film, Bad Boys. The voice which gained his former group, Inner Circle, 2 Grammy nominations and 1 Grammy Award. Like his predecessor, Jacob Killer Miller, who died in a car crash in 1980, and Kingston at the age of 27, Carlton Coffie seems to have gone unnoticed as a former lead singer of Inner Circle. My name is Ras Dennis, and you are welcome back to another crucial video by Reggae Just Extra.
You are now watching Reggae Just Extra's Carlton Coffie's edition.
In this video, we will dive deep into the world of Inner Circle and uncover some fascinating facts about its former lead singer, Carlton Coffie, his career, his contributions to music, among other things. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and most importantly hit the notification bell to be the first to watch our next video. A quick look at the profile of the band. It was formed in Kingston, Jamaica in 1968 by the brothers Ian Lewis and Roger Lewis, with then 12-year-old Stephen Cat Core and Michael Ebo Cooper. The band gained success through the frontman and lead singer Jacob Miller, who was killed in a car crash in 1980. Between 1978 and 1980, Inner Circle was more popular in Jamaica than Bob Marley. The band also appeared in the reggae film Rockers in 1978. The song Tenement Yard is a personal lamentation for Rasta's lack of privacy in the ghettos. It was written by Jacob Miller and Roger Lewis and was first released by Jacob Miller in 1975. This was the first song he recorded with the group. The album Everything Is Great, with tracks like We Ha Rockers, Mary Mary, and Roots Rock Symphony, had reached top 20 in the UK in 1979. In 1989, the hit Bad Boys was released with Carlton Coffie as lead singer. Another international hit was Sweat in 1993, which is often mistaken for Bob Marley's song. After the loss of Jacob Miller, Inner Circle broke up. But in 1982 another album called Something So Good was released. In 1986, Ian and Roger Lewis re-established Inner Circle with the singer Carlton Coffie, and the band experienced a comeback with the album Black Roses. In 1989, Inner Circle released the song Bad Boys. Since then, the band calls itself the Bad Boys of Reggae. They had another big hit with the 1993 song Sweat. Then, something happened. The lead singer, Carlton Coffie, took ill for a long period in 1995 and decided after his recuperation to start a solo career. The current singer Chris Bentley took his place. On February 2, 2023, Carlton Coffie passed away in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. According to the reggae singer's daughter, Ruth Spencer, who was unable to provide the cause of death, but told the popular online entertainment news platform, DancehallMag, that her father had been battling diabetes for years. "My dad always had diabetes. He started to get sick when he was with the band Inner Circle, which is what caused him leaving," Spencer told DancehallMag. "Since then, he's always had diabetes. A lot of people were trying to reach out to him, myself, my brother, his siblings, people he talks to all the time, and we did not get any response from him since January. I think February 1st was the last time any family member talked to him, and then February 2nd is when we learned later on that he had passed away," she added.
You are now watching Reggae Just Extra's Carlton Coffie's edition.
It should be noted Coffie was with Inner Circle from 1986 to 1994 as lead vocalist, percussionist, and keyboard player on 5 of the reggae group's albums, after which he began performing solo under the moniker Hot Cup of Coffee, although with a lower profile than the success achieved in the 90s, and released several albums, among them Scandal, Bad Boys 2000, Stop the Violence, and Hot Cup of Carlton Coffie, and remained active in live concerts. He's best known for providing vocals on Inner Circle's Bad Boys, the theme song for the Cops TV series, which was later used in the Will Smith and Martin Lawrence Bad Boys film, 1995, Tom Cruise's Minority Report, 2002, and several other films and TV series. Coffie also voiced the band Sweat, which earned a gold certification in the United Kingdom after selling over 400,000 copies in the country, according to the British phonographic industry, BPI. Spencer, who was a little girl at the time of filming, had made a cameo appearance in the music video for Sweat. She lamented the lack of recognition that her father has received on a global scale for his contributions to the reggae genre. People often think that it's Bob Marley that sings Sweat. Some people will know that it's Inner Circle, but they won't know the name of the singer of the band, and I think that's because Inner Circle has never stated his name as the singer of the band after he departed. I don't know how much they stated his name while they were together, so I don't want to disparage. It could have been that they always announced themselves as Inner Circle, but I have read articles where they mentioned the new lead singer, she said. It is so like Spencer poses that many YouTube videos of the song Sweat erroneously appear under the name of Bob Marley. Sweat and Bad Boys, both produced by band members Ian Lewis, Roger Lewis, and Towder Harvey, appeared on Inner Circle's 12th studio album Bad to the Bone in 1992. Sweat spent 25 weeks on the US Billboard Hot 100, peaking at number 16, and 19 weeks on the UK singles chart, where it peaked at number 3. Bad Boys spent 20 weeks on the Hot 100 chart, where it reached number 8, and 3 weeks on the UK chart, where it reached number 52. In the US, the Bad to the Bone album was reissued under the title Bad Boys, which spent 49 weeks on the Billboard 200 chart, where it peaked at number 64. The Bad Boys album won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 1994. The following year, the band earned their second Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album with their follow-up album Reggae Dancer with Coffie as lead singer. It is worth remembering this charismatic artist who did not receive the recognition he deserved in life and who gave the voice to the greatest reggae hits that were heard in this part of the world in the 90s, such as Sweat, Bad Boys, and Games People Play, among others. Thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe, give it a like, and post a positive comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you again very soon for another video.
Many thanks for watching Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis.
Ooh.